Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss a model map of small village has been given here. Write the symbols and details related to the picture in the index. So, with the help of with the help of teachers and elders, and also match the following with symbols and details. So, before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay. So in last class we discussed about the identify the simple map of their locality. Yeah. So one picture, observe the picture given below. Ramesh has drawn a sketch of his classroom. So observe here. So this is a picture drawn by Ramesh. This is a sketch of Ramesh classroom. So here directions are north, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Okay. And here index symbols and details. So here black horizontal line that indicates blackboard. So double dumbbell shape that indicate teacher's chair. Here rectangular black strips that indicates table. Circle indicates Ramesh. Square indicates Riaz. Star mark indicates Sheila. Triangle indicates Kevin. Circle with black with dotted lines indicates Disha. So vertical lines with two dotted lines that indicates door. So here vertical line with black strips that indicates window. So last one that indicates dustbin. Okay. So all these are the symbols and details. Here teacher's chair is located between the blackboard and the table. Here dustbin is situated in the northeast directions of the Ramesh classroom, and here door is also situated in the east direction of Ramesh classroom. Here Sheila is sitting in the first row of the Ramesh classroom, and also Ramesh and Riyaz is sitting in the second bench of the classroom, and also here Disha is sitting on the fourth bench of the right side of the Riyaz, and also Kevin is sitting in the last bench of the classroom. Okay, so all these are the details of the where the students and persons and materials are situated in the Ramesh classroom. Okay, so okay, now let us see some question answers. Here Ramesh has marked his place on the second bench, so which is on the right side. Okay, so now look at the picture and fill in the blanks with correct answer. See the index parallel. So doors of Ramesh classroom is situated in dash direction. So doors of Ramesh classroom is situated in dash direction. Yeah, here that is in a door that is situated in the east direction. So this is in a door. So this is situated in the east direction of the Ramesh classroom. Okay, so that's why you write east direction. The girl who is sitting in the first row on the right side of the Ramesh is dash. So the girl, she's name I don't know. So that's why they will ask the girl who is sitting in the first row on the right side of the Ramesh. Okay. So this is on the right side of the Ramesh and first row. Here one lady is sitting here. She's name is Sheila. That's why here you write answer Sheila. Okay, next. So there is a dash between the blackboard and the table. So okay, this is in a blackboard and this is in a table. So in between the table, teacher's chair is. That's why here you write. So the dash that is lies in between blackboard and the table means teacher's chair. Teacher's chair is located between the blackboard and the table. So next, the thing which is situated in the northeast direction of the classroom is dash. So here northeast direction, this is the thing is situated in the northeast direction is dustbin. Dustbin is situated in the northeast direction of Ramesh classroom. Okay, next. So this guy is sitting on dash bench on the right side of the rear. This is sitting on this is sitting on dash bench of the right side of the rear. Here, so here she is Disha. So okay, here square that indicates rear. Sitting on which bench? 1, 2, 3, 4. So on fourth bench of the rehearsal, on fourth bench right side of the rehearsal. And also you also draw a simple map of your classroom as Ramesh has done by marking the positions of things situated in the classroom. Use the symbol for things. And also small sketch of place, so which use the small sketch of place which use the picture of the shape of the place, border, features like rivers, hills, roads, buildings. The position and distance between them is called map. The vast area can be represented on a small piece of paper. So this is called a map. I will once again repeat it. Map is a small sketch of a place which gives the picture of the shape of the place. A small sketch of the place which gives the picture of the shape of the place. So border, feature like rivers, hills, roads, buildings, and the position and distance between them is called map. The vast area can be represented on a small piece of paper. Okay. So next we have seen a globe. Okay, and also you should know this. You have seen a globe, have not you? Isn't it? So it can be represented in a plot on a piece of paper. So globe can be represented in a plot on a piece of paper. So it is also map. Globe is also map. The entire earth can be so grasped at a glance into it. The entire earth can be grasped at a glance into it. So learn about the use of a map with the help of teachers and elders. Okay. So here is a model map of a small village has been given here. Write the symbols and details related to the picture in the index with the help of your teachers and elders. Okay. So directions north, south, east, west. Symbols and details. Index symbols and details. Okay. Here this is in a bus station. So and this is in a school. And so this is in a panchayat and this is in a hospital. And also so this is in a tree. This is in a coconut tree. And this is in a mosque. And this is in a tap water. And this is in a pond. This is in a temple. This is in a church. So this is in a tap water. And this is also in a temple. Okay, and this is in a pond, and these are trees. Okay, and these are hills. So all these are the symbols with details, and remaining all these are houses. Okay, so this is in a model map of small village. So and also now let us see match the followings. So sun, so tree, moon, so house, and man, yeah, hills, and this one last one river. So this is complete of your lesson. Thank you and all.